Recently, I posted a video teaching you how to make your audio like this sound really good in DaVinci Resolve. It was a little long though. So here's the exact process that I use to make your audio sound really great in the shortest amount of time possible. Step 1, turn on this setting, start at 70%, 100, doesn't really sound all that great. Step 2, click on this EQ tool, start with these settings, and you'll either sound like this or sound like this. Step 3, click on this Dynamics tool, start with this preset and change this knob here to around the quietest dB level of your current audio. Step 4, download this free plugin, use this preset, and adjust it to where your S's are sounding really harsh. Finally, step 5, go here, 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 and select limiter. Copy these settings and adjust this knob until your audio is nice and loud. I hope this helps.